So friends, most welcome this Pathoscope channel. So friends, write down a question, write a program, print a series and calculate them. What? Write a program, print series and calculate them. So let's start. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1. Next line, s is equal to 0, s is equal to 0, and while I is less than equal to 10, and then colon and print I. What? Print I s is equal to s plus 1, s is equal to s plus 1, s is equal to s plus 1, and I is equal to I plus 1, which is next Python programming. So print sum of series, sum of series equal to comma s, equal to comma s. So friends, only 7 line coding this path PyCharm editor. Friends, you have new for this Python channel, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to get notification basic to high level programming language in this Python channel to get watching output this Python programming. So friends, 1 2 2 and 10. So friends, it is not real. We have you want s is small and then get output 10. So friends, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 its type. So friends, s is equal to s plus 1. So s is capital and then code, it is also capital, and then it is also capital, and get output. So friend, this is equally this program, and get it is not correctly because you want as, and get this is output. Thanks for watching friends.